Smartphones with premium features used to cost less, but now they easily hit the $1,000 mark, making people hang on to their phones longer. That's why Samsung introduced two Galaxy Note 10 models in 2019. The smaller one aimed to attract those considering a switch to the Galaxy Note series. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite keeps the iconic Note look, but is distinct enough not to be confused with the regular Note 10. Samsung excels at giving its devices a luxurious feel, and the Note 10 Lite is no exception. The front showcases a 6.7-inch display with an integrated fingerprint sensor. Powered by the Exynos 9810 chip from the 2018 Galaxy Note 9, the Note 10 Lite comes in 6 GB and 8 GB RAM options with 128 GB storage, expandable up to 1 TB. The Super AMOLED Infinity O panel boasts a 2400 1080 resolution, a 4500 mAh battery with 25W superfast charging keeps it going. Running on Android 10 with One UI 2.0, the Note 10 Lite was initially promised two major updates, but Samsung later confirmed it will receive three, ending with Android 13. Priced at €599, it hits the market in February 2020 in colors like Aura Glow, Aura Black, and Aura Red.